Welcome back, everyone. I'm in my green F1, and I noticed as soon as the winter changed here that I thought it was tire noise on my F-150, and then I showed you that Santa brought me a flat tire. But now that it's been cold for a long period of time, and then it's warmed up a little bit, I definitely got a bad hub bearing on the left front. So I just told Rachel to order it. We need to get it in for service. And you know what? She's due for a nice drink. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Do the maintenance, do the repairs. So when we get it into the shop, I don't know if we're gonna have time today to do it, but I really thought it was a choppy tire, but I definitely know a choppy tire and wheel bearing, and I definitely know a choppy tire and not a wheel bearing, or a wheel bearing and not a choppy tire. It's kind of something that you learn over the years here without even really checking it. So she needs a drink. 1997 fuel injectors, 178,000 miles. I'll bring you along once we get to it. Thanks for watching.